Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope all you are enjoying this DIY electric scooter series. Here I connect the two wire in BMS. Friends, if you are making this DIY electric scooter, please use a thick wire because there is a huge amount of load in this battery. If you use a thin wire, the wire will burn. That's why I'm telling use a thick wire everywhere you can use. Enjoy the next part of this video. Friends, here you can see the output of this battery. This one is 12 volt. Here we can see the meter 11 point something 11.2928, and another one is discharged battery. That's why here is reading 7 volt, 7.79 volt. And if we charge, we need to charge the battery 12 volt DC adapter. Friends, I use DC female pin to charge the battery. That's all everyone. Thanks for watching.